All right, I'm gonna come up, pick whatever dot's most threatening to me. I'm just gonna use dot 5 on target 8. Put good rounds on target. I get a click, no bang. Cat, rat, I could feel that charging handle didn't go forward, right? Lock it to the rear, strip it, store that magazine, right? Rack multiple times, retrieve that magazine. Not doing it with dummy rounds, all right? Push, pull, chamber, get back in the fight.
That mag away there.
That's right! It's a Glock! That's right, it's a Glock! Suck it! Suck it! Punk! Punk! That's right!
Okay, I got the in there.
It's luck of the draw, you're stuck with me.
Forward! All right, shooters ready! Forward!
Nice. Switch sides. If you're comfortable, there it is. Move on that side. Nice. Switch sides. Pick a humanoid target. Next position.